Hey there, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name is Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter at Amy Harber, Instagram at Amy D. Harber, and YouTube, youtube.com/Amercat. And we're gonna hop in the hot tub time machine yet again for another throwback box. This is the Spring Beautycon box from spring 2017. And there's so much I can't even put it all in the same frame. So let's get into the box. And I'm also going to give you a cool makeup hack to save broken makeup. So let's go into the products and I'll also get to the hack. So once again, this is the Spring 2017 Beautycon box. It's the next to last box that Beautycon did because they discontinued them after the summer box. So last time you get like super big hauls with tons of things. Now, here's what I loved. They always had a theme, which this one was Spring Essentials, and they gave you a detailed list of everything plus the brand's social media so that you could tag them as well. So the first thing is a Cargo Cosmetics. It's around the world eyeshadow quads and duos. So, what's really cool is they're quads, and they're named after different cities like Rome, Paris, Tokyo, London, Amsterdam, New York, Shanghai, Moscow, Athens, Dublin, Madrid, and Toronto. So these are quads, and then the ones next to each other can also be done as duos, and then it has a dual-sided brush, which I'll be adding to my brush collection. They're kind of nudes, neutral colors, so they'll look flattering on everyone. Then we have Dirty Little Secret. It is a velvet matte lipstick. It's in rust, which my light might be too bright there, but it is kind of a, I wouldn't say it's like, it's sort of like a rosy pink, but it's got like some orange in it too. It's rust. So, and we have Garnier Micellar Makeup Removing Towelettes. I love these things. They're great for traveling. They're great if you're having one of those lazy days where you just want to take all your makeup off and go to bed and say, fuck it. So, there's that. Ibby Beauty. Now, here is the makeup hack. When I opened the blush, which it's a mineral pressed blush in Peach Sheen, it was powder. Notice it's not powder. It doesn't look pretty right now. However, if you get something that's just like destroyed powder, first try to keep it all neat in the container. Put a couple drops of rubbing alcohol. Put a sheet of like plastic wrap and then work it back in. We're going to let this dry overnight and it's going to be all pressed again, which is going to be great because then I'll still be able to use it. So, and it is shimmery. You can see it kind of on my hand still. Is that Luxie Beauty? I pretty much have a whole Luxie brush set now, but this is the Duo Fiber Powder Brush. It's very soft. Oh, I can't wait to use it for like highlighter. Yeah, definitely going to be a highlighter brush. Then we have the NUXE. I don't know. I don't even know how to pronounce this. However, it is shimmering body oil. So it's multi-purpose dry oil. You can use it on your face. You can use it on body. You can use it on your hair if you want like shiny hair. It's shimmery. Let's see here. You can see the shimmer. I'll put it right here. Yeah, see? Shimmery. Yay. Then we have the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating in Rose Petal. I think I might be wearing the Bright Idea in Lavender. There we go. Feels like a blush. And then we have OGX Orchid Oil. It's Color Protect Oil. Protects against sun damage too, so you don't kill your color. Mine actually need new color, so there's that. We have a cute little sticker, little Beautycon sticker. Put that on my beauty binder. Then we have the brow gown. It's convertible brow. It's got a little mirror. It's got 3 different types of brows, so you know, you got light brow, dark brow, and then you got a really dark brow if you got dark hair. Then we got the brow brush. It's dual-ended. There's that. And that is the spring Beautycon box. Plus, you learned how to fix broken eyeshadow, broken blush, anything that's a powder, you can fix that way. So, little life hack. Follow me, all those places, and peace out.